Good morning, Spectrum High School students. It is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Just a few announcements I have to share with you today. Winter Fine Arts concerts, both band and choir, are being recorded this winter and will be shared with you next week. We are looking forward to them and are inviting you to watch. They will be available again next week and coming your way. Congratulations also to our Noise News crew members, Elizabeth McCoy and Zach Knapp, on receiving an honorable mention award for the public service announcement contest entry at the National High School Journalism Convention. Congratulations, Elizabeth and Zach. Also wanted to share with you, had a great conversation yesterday with our Student Voice Collaborative members, which is a student committee that also includes some staff members here at Spectrum at the high school level. And we talked a little bit about the utilization of the time that is being provided for students during class periods to work on assigned work. Some concerns came through in that conversation, and my encouragement to all high school students is to continue to stay engaged or work to stay engaged and to continue to utilize that time to the best of your ability. Try to resist picking up the phone, turning on the television or the Xbox or whatever it is that is potentially causing you distraction at home, and work toward, again, utilizing that time to its fullest potential. Also, a continued encouragement from the administrative office as far as attendance to RTI sessions that you are being selected for. Your teachers are here to support you. They're selecting you for a reason, and it is that needed support. So please do your best to show up to RTI. Lastly, I want to continue to remind everyone that we are here to help support you. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to your school counselor, Mr. Mays or Ms. Scott. Mr. Skog and myself are also available for anything that you might need. We're here to help. Lastly, today we have birthdays. December 14th, which was yesterday, was Noah Benassi, Ariana Bechtold, and Blake Femright's birthday. So happy birthday to those guys, a belated one. Today, the 15th, is Daniel Gribb and Gabrielle Gould. Tomorrow is Bryce Bruns. December 18th is Sydney Brennison. December 19th is Emery Dusterman. And December 20th is Amelia Sapansky. So there we have it, your announcements for this week. Stay safe and healthy and have a great week.